If you're looking to give your 1997 to 2006 Honda Recon 4x2 or other similar ATV models an upgrade in both performance and appearance, this 2-inch lift kit is the ideal solution. Designed to accommodate larger tires and improve ground clearance, this lift kit is perfect for riders who want to enhance their ATV's off-road capabilities while achieving a more aggressive look. It's a great choice if you've upgraded to 12-inch rims with 24-inch tires, just like many satisfied customers have done. This lift kit is engineered for easy installation, with a design that's straightforward to install and requires minimal tools and effort. However, it's important to note that the installation of lift or lowering kits should always be performed by a trained technician. Proper installation is crucial for the safety and performance of the vehicle, and improper installation can result in damage to the product or your ATV. Always ensure that the kit is used for its intended purpose. The 2-inch lift not only gives your vehicle a more aggressive stance but also helps improve handling and provides better clearance for tackling rougher terrain. Whether you're riding through trails or taking on more challenging off-road conditions, this lift kit will provide the extra height and stability needed for a smoother, safer ride. Customers who have installed this kit on their ATVs have praised its quick and easy installation process and the noticeable improvement in the ride and appearance. One review specifically mentioned how the kit worked perfectly on a 2002 Honda Recon 4x2 after adding larger tires, providing both enhanced looks and functionality. This lift kit is the perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their ATV's performance and aesthetic without spending too much time or money on installation. It's a must-have upgrade for those looking to maximize their ATV's potential. Click the link in the video description to purchase the 2-inch lift kit and make your ride stand out from the crowd. Don't forget to subscribe for more ATV upgrades and tips.